Welcome to Module 4, Prompt Engineering, Mastering AI Instructions. So far, we've explored what generative AI is and experimented with amazing tools like ChatGPT, DALLE, Midjourney, and more. But now it's time to unlock their full potential through prompt engineering. Let's begin with a simple idea. A prompt is nothing but a set of instructions you give to an AI model. Whether you're asking ChatGPT to write a story, telling DALL-E to create an image, or using Synthesia to make a video, you're giving it a command, a direction, or a task. That command is your prompt. Now, here's where things get interesting. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective prompts to get better, more accurate, and creative outputs from these tools. Think of it like asking a friend to do something. The clearer and more specific you are, the better the result. If your prompt is too vague, the AI might get confused or give you something generic. But if your prompt is thoughtful and well structured, you'll see the magic happen. This skill is especially important when using tools like Chat, GPT for text, DALLE, and Midjourney for images, Synthesia for video avatars, and Runway ML for video editing and generation. In the coming slides, we'll learn how to write better prompts for each of these tools with real tips and examples. By the end of this module, you'll be able to control these tools with precision just by choosing the right words. Let's dive in. Let's move on to slide 2. Why prompts matter. Here's the secret. The quality of what the AI gives you entirely depends on what you give it. In short, better prompts lead to better results. A well-crafted prompt helps the AI understand exactly what you want, whether it's a formal email, a funny tweet, a cinematic image, or a personalized video avatar. You can control things like tone, style, format, and even specific details just by tweaking your input. Think of yourself as a creative director and the AI as your assistant. The more clearly you communicate your vision, the better the AI can bring it to life. That's why learning to write effective prompts isn't just useful, it's essential. Let's keep going and explore how to do it step by step in the upcoming slides. Welcome to the next step in your journey, prompting text models like ChatGPT. This is where you actually interact with the AI by typing instructions, or what we call prompts. Let's start with some key tips for writing great prompts. First, always be clear and direct. Avoid vague questions like, tell me something, and instead ask, give me 3 tips to improve LinkedIn engagement. Clarity helps the model understand exactly what you're looking for. Second, use roles to guide the AI's voice and perspective. For example, start your prompt with act as a teacher or act as a social media expert. This tells ChatGPT how to behave and what style to use when responding. Third, you can add goals and limits to structure the output. Try prompts like summarize this article in under 100 words or explain this in a formal tone for a business audience. The more you guide the structure, the better the response fits your needs. Now, let's talk about how to actually use ChatGPT step by step. Go to the website chat.openai.com log in using your email or sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a chat box. Simply type your prompt there. If you don't like the response, you can tweak your prompt, rephrase it, or even say try again. Let's look at a great example. Prompt. Act as a social media manager. Write a tweet summarizing this blog in under 280 characters. This prompt clearly sets a role, a task, and a limit. and the response you'll get is tailored and useful. That's the magic of prompt engineering. Simple tweaks make a huge difference in how the model responds. In the next slide, we'll look at image generation prompts and how to guide AI like DALL-E or Midjourney. In this part of the module, we're exploring how to craft great prompts for AI image generators like DALL-E and Midjourney, two of the most powerful tools for turning words into visuals. Let's begin with some prompting tips. When writing prompts for images, focus on the style, setting, and mood. The more vivid your description, the better your output. A strong prompt combines adjectives, subject, and an art style. For example, a majestic tiger in a misty forest, cinematic lighting, Studio Ghibli style. This gives the model clear guidance, what to draw, how it should feel, and the visual influence. Now let's walk through how to use DALL-E. Go to openai.com/DALLE login or sign up in the text box, type your detailed image prompt. In seconds, DALLE generates images based on your description. You can then view, download, or refine the results. Next, let's look at Midjourney, which works through Discord. First, join the official Midjourney Discord server. Navigate to a channel named something like newbies-1. In the chat, type /imagine prompt : your description. Midjourney will generate 4 image variations. You can then click to upscale your favorite or explore more versions. The key with Midjourney is experimentation. Try different combinations, like anime-style castle at sunset with cyberpunk elements, and watch the model turn your words into art. In short, the more creative and descriptive your prompt, the more powerful the image results. In the next part, we'll explore how to prompt video generators like Synthesia and Runway to bring your visuals to life. Now let's dive into prompting for video and avatar-based tools like Synthesia and Runway ML. These tools help you create professional videos, avatars, and visual content. No camera or crew needed. First, a few tips to write effective scripts for AI videos. Keep your script concise and clear. Long paragraphs can overwhelm the viewer. Mention the tone or emotion you want the avatar to express, like enthusiastic, calm, or formal. Use line breaks between sentences to help the AI pause naturally and improve flow. Let's start with Synthesia, a platform that generates talking avatar videos. Visit synthesia.io. Sign up and log in. Choose an avatar and select your language. Paste your script into the editor, click Generate Video, and within minutes, your avatar speaks your lines. A simple example script might be, "Welcome to our AI course. I'm Ava, your virtual guide. Let's explore tools that turn words into images." Notice how it's short, friendly, and naturally paced. Now let's look at Runway ML, a more flexible video editing tool powered by AI. Go to runwayml.com. Create an account, upload media, or use its AI features like text to video, remove background, or green screen. Customize your content. No need for advanced editing skills. With Runway ML, you can turn static images into animations, enhance videos, or even generate brand new scenes, all using AI. These tools are game changers for content creators, educators, and marketers. And remember, the better your script and structure, the more natural your AI video will feel. Coming up next. Before we wrap up this module, let's talk about practice and experimentation, which is key to mastering any AI tool. Start by trying 2 to 3 variations of your prompt. Change the structure, add more details, or switch the tone. Then, analyze the output. Observe how those small changes in the prompt affect the result. Finally, make sure to document what works. Note down effective prompt strategies. What style gives you better images? Or what tone gets the best text responses? This becomes your personalized prompt library, and it's super valuable. Now, here's what's next. In Module 5, we'll build mini projects using these tools so you can actually create content, not just learn about it. You'll apply your new skills hands on and see real results. It's time to move from exploration to creation. Let's make something amazing together.